The tilt tool adds a twist to a curve. The obvious use of this tool is when we've used extrude on a curve to create a ribbon-like shape. By adding a twisting effect at various points along the curve, we create a more natural-looking ribbon. The exact angle can be specified in either the last op panel or in the item page of the sidebar. Using the tool on a curve which has been assigned a circular depth value isn't very useful since there won't be any visual change. But if we have a less uniform profile, then the tool can be effective. To demonstrate this, we'll first create a Bezier circle and modify its shape. Now we'll create our main curve and assign the circle's profile to the curve. Now, the effect of adding a tilt becomes obvious. The twisting effect only operates between the selected control point and adjacent points. To extend outside that area, we can use proportional editing.